Cable management. We all do in building our computer, right? But some of us don't do it that well. We use zip ties and we just put them all together. It looks very, very ugly. But I got these. So I'm going to cable manage with these to make my computer look better whenever I decide to open it once a year. Let's get in cable managing. So now we're cable managing with these. First we gotta undo all the zip ties, which we need the zip tie thing for, so back in 1 second. Now we're going to do up all the zip ties with this thing. This is going to take some time, seeing as I have a lot of zip ties to undo. Now when you're undoing zip ties, make sure you don't rip any cable. Don't damage any cable. Especially these cables. It's really easy to damage cables by undoing zip ties. It's going to take your time and you slowly get it. This is going to take too long, so we're going to cut to it and just undo all zip ties. So now we have all our zip ties undone. Now we need to separate out and just even out the cables. These things are made by Cooler Master, so they're really good at ARGB. It's basically just to stop the pins from bending. That's mainly what this thing is for. We're going to be doing a review on it, the AIO. Unless we already did it and it's uploaded. Go watch it. We are in some way in business. Now Spitnark, Gim fans. Kiki guys, these are really good fans. We also did a review on them. Go watch it because it's a nice review. We review a bunch of stuff. This way, I think I can zip tie these ones down. If I have everything from this side. Elsewhere. Oh wait, we found one more. Don't break the USB 3 cable. Don't break the USB 3 cable. Okay. So what's going to want to bring everything down from this side. Where are you? Okay, you're going straight. So I want to route you under. So unplug this thing. Route you under, route you over. Very good. Okay, keep you like that. Right. We're going to even all the cables and restart recording then. So now we got the Velcro things. To show you how good they are. Basically, you know these things on the motherboard, not the motherboard, the PC case. You simply do. I'm gonna mess up which side it's supposed to go on. But bring it through, up over. Why is there a tab there? Okay, I'm so confused. Yeah, bring them in over, under the cable, under the cable, and bam. That's how easy they are. There we go. Tie it up, hold you through, and there we go. And you can just make it tighter. Bam. Cable management, you can undo whenever you want, and it's way easier because you even if you're installing an AIO, you don't want or installing anything new, and you want to undo the cables, you don't have to you don't have to use a scissors like this, a cutter like this or scissors, and you could damage your cables. It's just a lot easier. They're very cheap as well from Amazon. So now we're just going to cable manage more and just add more in. So now we are done. Honestly, zip tying, not really zip ties, but just tying them up. And another cool thing you can do with these is you can cut them like zip ties, which we're going to do now with stronger scissors. Hold on, 1 minute. No, you can definitely cut them. No, you should be able to definitely cut them. You should. Oh? Cut them. Back in a second. So this is the final product. We have I've scissors it and done it. These things. Oh, let's get one to show you. Hold on. These things are very, very good because you can reuse them, and even the parts that you cut off, you can still reuse them. So either way, they're reusable and better for the environment, and they're cheap and they look nice. You can get an affiliate link in the description. Subscribe.